Alrighty, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the auto save preferences. So save every 20 minutes, save when starting render queue, maximum project versions is 5, auto save location, next to project, custom location. So it's up to you what you do with this. Again, this has to do with workflow. So if you have an external hard drive and you want to save it there, do that. Let's say you have a backup, a project's backup external hard drive. Save it there. That way you have a copy locally and you have one on another device. And if you also want to save it to the cloud, you can do that as well. Okay. Then you have 3 locations. And so if 2 fail, you have a third one. Okay. So it's up to you what you want to decide with that. You can save for every 20 minutes, save when starting render queue, maximum project versions 5. I think that's fine. Okay. Those are all good. So that's auto save preferences. All right. So with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.